The views and reflections expressed by the hosts and guests of the Tambayan podcast are strictly their own and do not represent any views of any recognized or established Catholic community. The Tambayan podcast reserves the right to its final interpretation of any opinion expressed in any of its episodes.
Okay, welcome to Tambayan Podcast.
Where you can stay here, rest for a while, and just hang out.
Nagbabalik po ang inyong brother Tambays for a new season of this podcast. Oo nga pala, I'm the new kid on the block, Brother Kid Subido.
And yours truly, Charming Charleston, and nagbabalik din sila.
It's your boy Ray, and it's good to be back.
And ako nga pala si Jade Noche, aka Mr. How Are You?
And I am yours truly, Pearson Alcantara, and it's good to finally put faces to the names and the voices.
So kung mapapansin mo, Charming Charleston, ang daming bago sa podcast na to. Syempre, bukod sa akin, una sa lahat, may video na tayo not live, pero alive sa YouTube.
And since we have audience worldwide, we have subtitles at the bottom of our screen, and of course, transcript for everyone to relate.
So it's a new season, not just for the podcast, pero in our year as well. Springtime. So let's spring into something nice. There's a lot of things we can look forward to this coming season. Cherry blossoms, sunflowers, pollen, allergies, you name it. So yun, to welcome us to this festive mood, we can say Isaiah 43 verse 19, which says, "Watch for the new thing I'm going to do, says the Lord. It is happening already. You can see it now. I will make a road through the wilderness and give you streams of water there."
So brothers, it is indeed a new season, and it's exciting because you remember, di ba? It started out as just an idea, and then the first episode was only hosted by me and Jade, and now here we all are, right? It started out as an idea na gusto lang nating maging comfortable in our own skin, right? We just wanted to be able to share and articulate how good the Lord has been in our lives, and we want to share that goodness with others. But now here we are, right? Meron na tayong studio, meron na tayong recording paraphernalia, or meron na tayong mic, and meron na tayong lighting, kaya ang tingkad namin ni Brother Jade especially. And hindi namin makakalimutan because this episode was conceptualized by a sister. Hi, Sis Abby!
Hi,
Diba?
Sis Abby!
Shout out sa iyo dahil ikaw ang first shout out sa episode na to, and sa season na to, dapat may episode ka na rin real soon.
So for dearest audiences and listeners, feel free to send feedback. And maybe, who knows, maybe makapag-guest din kayo dito in the future. Our theme for this season is The Lab. We're trying to improve everything. The production value, we're trying to make ourselves sound better and look better, not just for you guys, but also for the greater glory of God.
Kaya mga ka-How Are You? Diyan lang kayo. Stay tuned at magbabalik because God will make things new. O diba, pwede bang flip top?
Flip top ba ka mo, Brother Jade? Kaya ko din yan. Flip top, yo. Napaka-exciting, madami pang blessing, napaka-amazing, daming bago, daming pagbabago, at see you next week mga katambay.
Take care and God bless.